Look at this. Stunning Bugatti Chiron RV puts modern motorhomes to shame. This is the type of thing you got to drive around once you get to that next planet, Mars or whatever. Or even if it's like post-apocalyptic world here on Earth, this is what if you're the warlord, you need to be driving this around. Oh, I don't know why big trucks can't look this cool. I suppose they could, but they never do.
Yeah.
And definitely RVs look nowhere near this cool. It's probably because there's practicality reasons, like with the squatty windshield and everything else you need to look aggressive and cool. This is obviously a artist interpretation type render, which always gives us the funkiest kind of look at automotive. When you see just creative people just goofing around and imagining things without the restraints of actually having to build it.
Yeah, the hard part.
Bugatti will never do this, obviously. They barely make cars. Like they have, I don't even know what the global output is of
a car a year.
They're ultra fast hyper cars. Yeah. But this is what it would look like if in some crazy dimension, instead they were building RVs. This is what it would look like. Look at the size of those tire and wheel package over there. For what? For increased efficiency. You have the flat cover on the wheel. For increased efficiency, like how much fuel you think this one drinks there, Will?
Oh gosh. Fuel every station.
I mean, the tank is going to have to be enormous over there. The artist, we should totally shout out that render looks even better when you see it with the reflections and stuff in the desert.
Yeah,
it looks a little different though. The front end, I guess there's been a couple different takes. Yeah, skim through some of those.
I don't think I can. Can I? I feel like I have to log in.
Really?
No? Oh, okay.
I don't know. Good. Try. Click next. Look at this. Okay, so there's a few different versions. You can pick and choose your favorite. Man, you show up to the RV park with this baby right here?
So luxury. So shiny.
Damn. Gold. This is the one we saw. This is the most Batman of the bunch.
Very cool. Very cool.
Most post-apocalyptic. This one has a sliding door on it. Yeah. In the land of concepts, you can do whatever you want. I guess this is a collab between Magnesium Media and Flyby Artist. So shout out. This has 364,000 likes on Instagram. Keep doing your thing. Who knows? Maybe one day one of these designs actually gets made.